Did you know that baking soda can do wonders for your body? You might remember mixing it with vinegar to make volcanoes erupt in science class. But did you know baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, can actually help your body in some pretty awesome ways? Join us as we explore the top benefits of using baking soda daily. It's easy, it's affordable, and the results will amaze you. Here are some ways incorporating baking soda into your routine can significantly benefit your health. Reminder: always consult with your doctor before trying these remedies. Let's get started. Number 1. Gets rid of filthy fridge smell. Let's talk about something we can all relate to. That funky smell coming from the fridge. You know the one. It hits you as soon as you open the door. Well, I've got the perfect solution, and it's probably already in your pantry. Here's how it works. When bacteria break down food, they release these acidic and alkaline molecules that cause those strong, unpleasant smells. But baking soda is what's called an amphoteric substance. That means it can neutralize both acidic and alkaline molecules. So, it basically sweeps in and saves the day. To use it, first make sure you've cleaned out your fridge really well. Then, just put an open box or container of baking soda on a plate and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. It'll soak up all those stinky molecules and leave your fridge smelling fresh and clean. Number 2. May help your kidneys. Did you know baking soda might play a role in reducing the risk of chronic kidney disease, a condition where the kidneys gradually lose their ability to function properly? A study found that patients with chronic renal disease who took baking soda supplements experienced a significant reduction in the progression of their condition, with a 36% lower risk of kidney failure compared to those who did not take the supplements. Hacks. Number 3. Helps relieve insect bite irritation. Baking soda can be an effective home remedy for soothing the irritation and itching caused by insect bites, such as those from mosquitoes. To use baking soda for this purpose, mix it with a small amount of water to create a thick paste. Apply this paste directly to the affected area and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Have you tried baking soda for insect bites? How did it work for you? Do you have any other home remedies that you swear by? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Next, it reduces canker sores. Canker sores, those small, painful ulcers that appear inside the mouth, can be quite unpleasant. Baking soda offers a simple and effective remedy to help alleviate the pain and even promote healing. Alternatively, you can dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and use it as a mouthwash several times a day. This simple routine can help reduce the pain and promote quicker healing of canker sores. Number 5. Whitens your teeth. Are you neglecting dental care? Did you know that it can lead to visible discoloration and stains on your teeth? Baking soda, with its natural bleaching properties, is an effective remedy for whitening teeth and removing yellow stains. To use baking soda for teeth whitening, mix a small amount with lemon juice to form a paste. Apply this paste to your toothbrush and gently brush your teeth for a couple of minutes. Limit this treatment to once or twice a week and follow up with regular toothpaste to maintain oral health. Don't forget to consult with your dentist to ensure this method is suitable for your dental care routine. Next on the list is it may relieve arthritis pain. Baking soda may offer relief for those suffering from rheumatoid arthritis. It can help reduce joint inflammation and promote the body's anti-inflammatory response. This effect is achieved by influencing macrophages, the immune cells involved in inflammation. Before we jump into the next amazing use for baking soda, let's take a quick moment. If you've been enjoying these helpful hacks, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips just like this. And hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Now, let's move on to hack number 7. Removes stains. Did you know that baking soda is an excellent tool for removing stains from clothes and furniture? It's easy to make a powerful stain-removing paste using just a quarter cup of water, 4 tablespoons of baking soda, and a little dish soap. To use it, just apply the paste directly to the stain and gently scrub with a clean cloth or soft brush. Let it sit for a few minutes, to allow the paste to work its magic. Next is Allnatural deodorant. If you're looking for an alternative to those commercial deodorants packed with chemicals, this method is your new best friend. Just take a small amount of the mixture and apply it under your arms each day. It's that simple. Plus, this all-natural remedy is gentle on your skin. So if you're ready to ditch the chemicals and go for something natural, give this deodorant a try. Number 9. An effective body scrub. You can create an all-natural body scrub that leaves your skin smooth and refreshed. To make this scrub, mix 3 parts water to form a paste. This gentle exfoliant helps remove dull, flaky skin, revealing a radiant complexion underneath. To use, apply the paste to your skin and massage it using circular motions. This action helps slough off dead skin cells and improves blood circulation, giving your skin a healthy glow. After massaging for a few minutes, rinse off with warm water. Before we get to number 10, stick around. You may be surprised by what baking soda can do at the very end. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. 10. On the list is bad breath solution. If you're looking for a simple and natural fix, this remedy is here to save the day. It's like a miracle cure, especially for bad breath caused by acid-forming foods. This mixture works wonders by neutralizing acids in your mouth that lead to bad breath. Plus, it has mild abrasive properties that help scrub away plaque, and its antibacterial powers fight off the bacteria responsible for that unwanted odor. Just swish the mouthwash around for about 30 seconds to a minute, then spit it out. For the best results, try using this mouthwash once or twice a day. And that's it. Now you know baking soda is more than just a kitchen staple. It offers a variety of health benefits, from improving digestion and oral health to soothing skin irritations and more. We want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these baking soda hacks? What was your experience? Share your thoughts and tips in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.